Now you know things without even knowing or you know it because you're collecting the energy and the information from our environment, from the sunlight, and now you can know so now you know your environment. You can feel if the rain are gonna fall, just like all the other animals them know. You can know when it's your seasons for women, you will know when your season is for one thing and when your season is for the next. So the sun literally keeps you connected to your natural intelligence.
Right.
Keep your hormone functioning well. Very important as Tumani was talking about the T cells, so it's dependent on the sunlight.
Right.
So yeah.
Right. So, yeah, I have my notes here, and so basically, that's what it is. Your biological life force equals your carbohydrates plus sunlight plus oxygen minus nitrogen and obstructions.
Right.
Right.